Sir, is it okay?
Okay, fine. Right. It's okay, okay, fine. If you are able to see that, then all of you are able to see that, then absolutely no problem. Okay. Are you able to see? Okay, fine. A hungry a fox sees a crow with a piece of meat. So there is a hungry fox. The next outline that in the outlines, whatever that is given there, I'm just reading that, and you have to expand the story with the help of these outlines. Sees a crow with a piece of meat. Sees a crow with a piece of meat and wishes to have the piece. Okay, I think.
Sir, Chiranjeevi is sharing.
Chiranjeevi is asking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can't share screen correctly.
Okay, Punish,
And we are not.
stop it. I think somebody else can try.
Sir,
Rohit Kumar,
he's
yes,
a bad.
you were able to do properly.
Sir, I will. Sir, I
Okay. Okay.
is requesting me, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I
Just,
sharing the screen, sir.
but I think you are not able to share properly. Okay.
Sir, Chiranjeevi is requesting
I
me.
already wrote it. Can you share mine, sir?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I share?
Okay. One of you just try that. Okay. Right. Okay,
Rohit
fine.
Kumar,
Rohit Kumar.
share.
Yes, I think it's
Yeah,
okay.
okay,
It's
okay.
fine. Right. Rohit Kumar, you are, yes. Good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. This
Sir, presentation is gone, sir.
presentation
Satvik
is
Shaurya, sir. Sir, now
Satvik.
Satvik Shaurya is sharing.
Satvik, you don't try.
Satvik Shaurya.
Satvik, Chiranjeevi, what are you trying here? What are you up to?
Sir, Chiranjeevi is trying to annotation request, sir.
Annotating. Yes. All right. Rohit Kumar is sharing, so all others you don't attempt. Okay. Now all of you are able to see this. There is a fox which is very hungry. A hungry fox.
Sir,
Chiranjeevi, please don't do like that.
Chiranjeevi, if you do this, you'll be marked 0. Remember. Okay. Don't try to play mischief here. Yes, Chiranjeevi. Right. Yes.
Sir, now
Rohit Kumar.
Chiranjeevi presenting, sir.
Rohit
Sir,
Kumar.
I shared.
Okay, fine.
Tell to Rohit Kumar, sir.
Okay, Rohit Kumar. Okay, fine. I think you are able to see that. Okay, Rohit. Fine. A hungry fox sees a crow with a piece of meat. See, today's class is very important because what is going to be there in the exception? I am going to
Chiranjeevi
discuss about
again
it.
sharing.
Chiranjeevi.
Sir, we are not able to see screen, sir.
Chiranjeevi, you are trying to do something. Yes, Chiranjeevi.
Sir, I will share. Sir, I will share.
No, later. Yeah, okay, Satvik is
Sir,
sharing. Fine.
you.
Chiranjeevi is very bad boy, sir. Not attend the
Okay,
class,
this
sir.
is fine. Satvik, this is
Rohit Kumar
fine.
is
Okay, this is fine. Oh, Rohit is sharing. No, he's fine. I think all of you are able to see that. And anyway, in your WhatsApp also you can see this. There's
Sir,
no problem.
Rohit is sharing.
Okay.
Very good.
Again, Chiranjeevi is sharing.
Chiranjeevi, I will remove him.
Sir,
I will remove Chiranjeevi.
he came from class, sir.
Okay. And Chiranjeevi, for this, you will be penalized. So 5 marks will be deducted. Okay. Chiranjeevi, see in Sainik school, discipline is very important. And if you keep on doing all this, then definitely you will have trouble. Okay, Chiranjeev, I hope you understood this. So don't try to do anything there. Right.
Try to Rohit share, sir.
Right. Okay. And once he comes over here, see
Sir, I
anyway
am
now,
sharing.
now the
Sir, I
boys
am
are joining.
sharing.
Okay. Only one of you just
Sir,
share that. Otherwise, I'll just try. Okay, I'll just try. But
Sir,
somehow I'm not able to do that.
sir, say to Rohit Kumar, sir.
Rohit Kumar,
yes, sir.
yes, just share that screen.
Sir, I shared
Who is that?
someone is
Huh?
Punyashloka Balimat sir.
Sir, no phone is sharing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
shared.
Are you able to see? Yes? You are able to see?
Sir, can you
Yes,
see, sir?
Okay.
Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
Okay, fine. You are able to see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But why I am not
Yes,
able to
sir.
see what you shared? Sir, ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಈ ವೆಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಹುಡುಗರು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಎಸ್ See, today I am going to discuss what is going to be there in the examination. Okay, 8 marks question is going to be there on that. So that's why this class is very important. So don't try to play with this. Ultimately, it's not only Chiranjeevi, but it's going to be everybody who will be losing all those marks. Okay. Now this time you don't have questions based on the pictures. But this time it's going to be questions based on what? Based on the outlines.
Which is gone,
So
sir.
how the questions are going to be there in the
Sir, now
exam?
sir, screen is gone.
Okay, that is what I will
Presentation
discuss
gone.
about that.
The presentation gone.
Satvik is trying.
Sir, who
Anyway,
must share it?
okay, don't worry. Satvik will do that. Okay, don't worry about it. You will be able to
Okay,
see.
sir.
And I think it is there in your WhatsApp also. You can go through that. Okay, you can follow that. There's no problem. Even if content is not there, if you
Yes, sir.
textbook, no problem. You can refer to that. I'll just go on
Can I
explaining about
can
that.
I share, sir?
Okay, Rohit Kumar is trying. Oh, yes, I think it's already shared. Okay, there's a hungry fox and he sees a crow with a piece of meat. The next point is wishes to have the piece. So a fox wants the piece of meat which is there in the mouth of crow. So when he sees a crow with a piece of meat, this story you have to develop. So this is a story which you have to develop. Now here praises the crow. So this hungry fox goes on praising the crow because he feels that if the crow talks, then what will happen? He'll be able to get that piece of meat which is there in the mouth of crow. He asks the crow to sing and he goes on praising that you are a very good singer and all. And when he goes on praising that, then what happens? The piece falls down and the fox picks it up and runs away. So, very simple story. I think you must have heard of this story. And this story you
Yes,
have to
sir.
develop. So, outline is what? It is like a skeleton. So, points are given there. And on the base of the points, you have to develop the story. So, when one point when it is given a hungry fox. So, how do you start the story? Once upon a time, there was a hungry fox. Once upon a time, there was a fox. So it was very hungry and it was looking for food and it was not able to find any food there in the forest. Then suddenly it saw a crow. A crow had a piece of meat. The crow was sitting on the tree. So on the branch of the tree. Like this, you can go on expanding. So if there is a one particular point, then what you can do, at least you can write three lines. Okay, you can write 3 4 lines if there, yes, if there is one particular point. So these are all outlines which have been given there, and on the base of the outlines you have to write the story. Now this time what we have done, we have given the outlines and then we have given you the stories, but there have been options that have been given the stories. You don't have to develop the stories, but there are some words which have been left there blank. So some blanks which have been there for the sake of the words, those blanks you have to fill up with the words. So options will be given there and you have to find out the right option there. So this is how MCQs questions will be there as far as story writing is concerned in this yes, in this examination. Okay. Okay, fine. I hope you understood this story. So how to develop the story? Because see, if subjective questions are there, like second terminal, you'll be having subjective questions. In that case, if such kind of exercise is there, then how to develop a story, that you should know now. So once upon a time, there was a fox. It was very hungry. It was looking for the food, but it couldn't find food anywhere in the forest. So likewise, for one particular point, you can write 4 to 5 lines. Then next point is sees a crow with a piece of meat. So suddenly it saw a crow. It was sitting there on the branch of the tree, and it had a piece of meat in the mouth. So likewise, you can go on developing story. And remember that you can write in your own words. But very important thing is you have to write grammatically correct sentences. Begin with a capital letter, end with a full stop. Praise means in Kannada, praise. Tumba ಹೊಗಳುದು. You go on praising somebody. You go on, yes, telling good about him. ಹೊಗಳುದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೊಗಳುದು. ಒಬ್ಬರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. That is what is praising. Okay. Praising the crow.
ब्लेसिंग नहीं होगा सर.
हाँ, प्रेज का मतलब है किसी
ब्लेसिंग.
की प्रशंसा करना. हाँ, प्रशंसा प्रशंसा करना, उसका मतलब है प्रेज. ओके, ಹೊಗಳುದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಗಳುದು. Praises the crow.
Question.
So, see, who
Question ಮಾಡುವುದು.
wants a piece of meat? A fox wants a piece of meat. So when he wants a piece of meat, what does he do? Yes, Mir, it is going to be for 8 marks. This is going to be for 8 marks. Okay, very important one. Now, yes, we'll go to the next story, which is there in this. Can you, Rohit, can you share the next page? Yes,
Yes,
we'll go
sir.
to the next.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I wrote this. Can you see, sir?
Yes. Uh, we'll go to the next story now. Can you just share that?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right.
sir.
Go to the next story now. Right. So next story is about two friends pass through a jungle.
So which?
That is no, not this, not this. Just
Okay,
before
sir.
this. Rohit, just
Okay,
before
sir.
this.
Sir, the story. Sir,
Second story.
moral is never fall for flattering words.
Never fall for flattering words. Very good moment. Okay, never fall for flattering words. So if
Flattering
somebody is
words.
सर हेटिंग इज द
flattering
क्लेवर
you,
फॉक्स.
yes,
Sir,
सर
flatter means
हेटिंग.
what?
हेटिंग इज द
flatter means
क्लेवर फॉक्स.
किसी के बारे में बहुत अच्छा बात करना, flattering, praising, प्रशंसा करना. हाँ, flattering. हाँ, somebody goes on flattering you, but if he wants something, then he will go on flattering you, isn't it? तुम बहुत अच्छे हो, हाँ, they will go on praising you. That's what is flattering. See how many lines
Sir,
stories
can
we should write.
सर
Remember
स्टोरी का
here,
हेटिंग.
for one particular point,
स्टोरी
you
का
can write three
हेटिंग
to four
क्लेवर फॉक्स
sentences.
होगा
You
सर.
need not write very long. Okay, three
Okay,
to
sir.
four
Okay,
sentences you
sir.
can write. Now, two
Sir, I
friends
shared, sir.
pass through a jungle. So, two friends pass through a jungle. So, here that is a beginning one. So, two friends were passing through a jungle. So, how will you write that? They were two friends. One day they decided to go to neighboring village. They were passing through a jungle. So, what I have done, I have taken up a point and I have framed some sentences. So similar way, when you want to develop a story, you have
that
to
will be
go on
what in
framing
Once
the
upon a time,
sentences.
there was a small village.
There was a small village. Very good. There was a small village. In that small village, there were two friends. They had decided to go to another village, or they wanted to go to the city. They were passing through a jungle. So likewise, you have to write. So when one particular point is given, you have to write 4 to 5 sentences. So they saw a bear running towards them. Suddenly, they happened to see a bear. Begged means in Kanda, begged. Begging, you go on requesting. See, let's see those where it comes. He begged for help. He asked for help. ಕೇಳೋದು ಬೆಗಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ದೇ ವೇರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್, ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಗ್ಡ್. ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, But here it doesn't mean bhiksha here. Here it means requesting. They were requesting for help. Okay, begging here means they were appealing for help. They were requesting for help. That is what is the meaning. ಅವರು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ದೇ ಸಾ ಬೇರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಕರಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕರಡಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು
Karadi.
saw a bear running towards them so that bear was running towards them when they saw that bear in the forest what one has done kardi Satvik says kardi right bear is kardi so suddenly one fellow he climbed a tree. See, a friend in need is friend indeed. Bravery. Chiranjeevi says opposite of that is bravery. Very good. Bravery of what? Timidity is bravery. Okay, opposite of timidity is bravery. Motionless, without any movement. Okay, without any movement is motionless. Gura says he knows story. Okay, very good. So one fellow climbed the tree. One friend. Okay, both were friends. Yes, a friend in need is a friend indeed. That is a proverb. You are all familiar with that. But here, what does he do? Though he was a friend, suddenly he thought of his life and he wanted to escape from that bear. And what did he do? He climbed the tree. Very good, Prithvi.
He climbed
You
that
have written
tree.
the story. Okay, he climbed the tree. The other could not climb the tree, and he was begging for help. He was requesting for help. Suddenly he got an idea. What is that idea he got? Let's see here. He came out with an idea. So see, one
Sir,
fellow was able to climb the tree.
like
Opposite of bravery is a timidity. Chiranjeevi, opposite of bravery is timidity. So who was very timid? See here, one fellow, he climbed the tree. We can't say that he was timid, but he thought of his life. Coward, okay, timid, coward. Okay, fine. Coward is the pronunciation of, okay, right. So then he got an idea. He lay down motionless. So what he was doing, he was lying there on the ground without making any movement, as if he's dead, holding his breath. So he was acting dead. Yes, very good. He was acting dead, as if he's dead, and
like
he was
a dead
lying there.
body,
Yes,
like a dead body.
like a dead body. Very good. Like a dead body. See, you are developing the story. Very interesting. So this is how you have to develop the story. Very good. So like a dead body, he was lying there, and then the bear took him to be dead. The bear thought that this fellow is dead, and the bear passed by. See this, the bear passed by, the bear went away. A friend in need, Ayan says, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Very good. That is a proverb. You must know that proverb. Okay. So the fellow who helps you when you are very much in need, that fellow is your real friend. Okay. Next, he was saved. So he was saved. It is 50% right. He says he 50% right. He rose to his feet. Then he got up. He saw his friend. Where was his friend? He was there in the tree, isn't it? He had climbed the tree. Said he was not his friend as he had not saved him in time of need. And he says that you are not my real friend because you are not saved him. So somebody says it's a 50% true. Actually, there's another version of this story. What happens? Suddenly that another friend comes and he says, what did the bear whisper in your ear? And this fellow says, it whispered in my ear that the fellow who has climbed down the tree is not a real friend. And he has said that probably next time he is going to look for him. So, there is another version of this story. So you can write the story in your own words. You can have your own version, but make use of the points that are given there. Make use of the outlines that are given there, and on the basis of the outlines, you can develop the story. You can write the story in your own words, and actually, this will help you to develop your language very well. Okay. I hope all of you understood this, how to go about it, how to develop the story using the outlines.
Yes, sir.
Let's move on to
Yes,
the
sir.
next one.
Sir.
Can you
Yes,
just
sir.
Okay,
go to the
sir.
next page?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Three.
Completion of incomplete stories. So, see, there'll be few sentences that will be given there, and you have to go on writing. You have to have your own, plot. So that will be a very, very, that will be challenging task for you. these two developing a story through pictures and developing a stories through outlines, these are easier ones. But the task which is there, the third one, that is completion of incomplete stories. Can you, Rohit, can you just share that next page? So completion of incomplete stories. So that will be a little bit challenging task because they are going to give you the beginning, but the development of that plot will be left to you. You have to go on developing the plot. It's like here, see here, what is given here. Read the given part of the story at least twice. So here, part of the story is given there. Then after that, what sequence of the events will follow? That is what you have to decide. Then you have to prepare the story. Maybe you can write in the form of points, prepare the story, and then you have to develop the story. Then, so how you can have at the end climax, how you can have the end, and before that, how the story develops, how the series of events will be there, how the sequence of events will be there. That is what you have to think about that. So this is a very, very challenging one. Once upon a time, a farmer had a goose that laid a golden egg every day. The farmer was very happy as he earned a lot of money from the golden eggs, but he soon became greedy. So here onwards, you have to complete it. So this is a bit challenging task, but I am quite sure you'll be able to do that. So whatever now
Sir, I
exercise 3 and exercise 4, that will be your homework. Since a little bit time is left there, 10 minutes are there. Rohit, you stop sharing the screen. I am going to share the screen. So how it is going to be there in the examination? Very important part that I am going to discuss about it. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll go to that particular question. Yes.
sir,
Yes.
homework
Are you
is
able to
what,
see
sir?
this? Are you able to see the screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
You are
sir.
not able
No,
to see.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
fine.
I am able to see the screen.
Okay.
Sir,
This is
now
a
we
very,
can
very
see.
important part from the examination point of view. Now,
You can see, sir.
okay. This is the
No, sir.
see, like this question will come in the examination. Like this question will be there. This is the outline of a story. The story is developed below and left some blanks in the story. Choose suitable words and fill in the blanks. So likewise, MCQs will be there. So there is outline of a story like at the
Some
beginning,
blind
an old
what?
lady becomes blind. These blanks are there, but these are not the blanks. Okay, these are the outlines.
Sir, you can't.
Calls in a doctor. See, you should not get confused. That is the reason why I'm giving you this example. I hope it's clear to you. So blanks are there
Sir,
after the missing furniture. An old lady becomes blind. Calls in a doctor. These are all outlines. Don't get confused.
excuse
Agrees
me.
to pay large fees if yes, you have got
Excuse me, sir.
tell. Yes.
Sir is
Sir,
filling the
sir, we won't get like that, sir. Which we studied today. We won't get today like today's chapter.
So don't give a letter. Exam, it will be.
It will be uploaded.
Yes,
Today,
after question.
see, yesterday what has happened, since it was for long period, it didn't, I mean, I was not able to save it. I was not able to record that. Today, recording is going on. Okay. If it doesn't exceed 300 MB, then definitely I'll be able to. Otherwise, there's no problem. I'll record once again and yes, it will be uploaded. Don't worry about this. Okay. So this one will be there. Definitely it will be there. So this is what is very, very important one. Just pay attention. So an old lady becomes a blind, calls in a doctor, agrees to pay large fees if cured. Doctor comes daily. These are all outlines. Remember, these are outlines. Starts stealing one piece of furniture daily, delays the cure. At last, cures her, demands his fees. Lady refuses to pay, saying cure is not complete. Doctor objects. Lady says sight not restored as she cannot see all her furniture. So what is the moral? So these are the outlines. Now the story is developed there. So now earlier what we have seen, we have to develop the story. But in the examination, already the story will be developed. So story will be written there. But some blanks are left there. What is left there? Some blanks are left there. The first blank here you see. There dash once an old lady. So what will be the answer here? There was once an old lady. So answer is A. Can you see here? Okay, when it says was, so you can write
I
A.
understood.
So first one you can write A. So this is how you should write. So first outlines will be given there. Then she meets with an accident and loses her eyesight. She becomes very upset and calls in the most qualified surgeon in town to treat her. So this is how the story is developed. She becomes very upset. Okay. She promises to pay a large amount of fees to the surgeon if he's able to restore his, her, you are there. So what is the
The
answer for
second
this?
one, her.
Her, very good. So
Option B.
answer will be B. Okay, 2B. You can write 2B and her also you can write. Okay, 2B. 2. No, you can't write to her. You should write
Her.
2B her. Okay, B is okay. This option you should write.
because
Okay, 2B
third
her.
one,
Only her
one
you shouldn't write.
third
In the
one
exam sheet you are
was
writing, you can write 2B her. Okay. Now remember. Okay. Now I'm going to the next one. This is not there in your grammar book. Uh, okay.
uh,
Grammar book which we are following is that, yes, what is the title of the grammar book? Grammar and Composition. Firefly
Yes, sir.
books. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one now. The surgeon visits the old lady every day and gives her some medicine. He dash advantage of the fact that she's blind and can't see anything. So what he does, he takes advantage. He takes advantage. Takes advantage will be the right answer. So third
C.
one will be C. Takes. Okay. Third one will be C. See how you can decide about it because see here he starts. So which she promises she becomes. So everywhere they have used simple present tense. Keeping that in mind, you should use only takes. He takes advantage of the fact that she is blind and can't see anything. He starts stealing pieces of expensive furniture from the house. He takes away one piece every day. For this purpose, he delays the cure. When he takes away all the furniture from the house, he restores the eyesight of the lady. Okay. When he asks for the fees, the old lady refuses to pay him. So here Dash says that her eyesight is not yet fully restored. Now here, fifth one, what is that? Dash says that. Fifth one, a fourth one. What will be the answer there? Fourth,
She.
she. So
Option A,
fourth one
he.
is B.
He, sir.
Answer 4B,
He, sir.
she.
He
4B.
and the huduga.
He had a hudga, she. So answer should be she. She says that her eyesight is not yet fully
She.
restored. The surgeon disagrees. The lady plainly replies that she dash not able to see the furniture in the house. She dash not
Has.
able to. Yes, what will come? The
She has.
lady plainly replies that
She
she
has.
She has.
She has is.
She has done that like.
everything is
She
in
was.
present tense. So therefore was will not come, only is will come.
Yes, sir. He has.
He
Sir,
is
is.
not able to see. But she replies that she is not able to see. So answer is 5B. Okay, she is not able to see the furniture in the house. So that's why I'm having the practice here. Keep in mind which tense is used there. Okay, that is what is very, very important. Which means that, see, everywhere it is present tense, so you can't use was. Was is in past tense, which means that her eyesight dash has not been restored. Her eyesight
R.
has will come. Has will come. Not are, has. Her eyesight has not been.
Has
So,
not been.
sixth one is B.
Has.
Has will come. Very good. Sixth, it will be
Sir, they are
B
not eyes.
has. The doctor feels ashamed
Present
and
perfect
quietly leaves
continuous,
the
sir.
house. I hope it's clear to you. So, likewise, in the examination, the question will be there. Yes, and it will be
The
for
second
8
one, third one,
marks.
sixth one,
Very
10
important question.
answers, sir.
Now, whatever we have, yes, whatever we have been, yes, what should I tell you once again the answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first one
Yes,
answer
sir.
is, what is the answer for the first one?
Was.
There was once an old lady.
There was once an old lady. Okay, there was. So first one, it will be was only. So 1A, 2, what is the 2? Answer for 2? B,
Sir.
R, 3,
Sir.
C. Okay,
Sir, sir.
3, 4,
She meets a loser. He
Ah,
become. Sir, I can't hear you properly, sir.
Third one to what, sir?
Restore.
Sir, third one to what, sir?
Yes, sir, he takes advantage. Third one.
Taking
takes advantage. Okay.
Takes-
Third one is
takes
C,
the-
and takes advantage. And fourth one is B.
The old
Yes,
lady.
sir.
Okay,
Hi.
fifth one. What is the
Fifth one
fifth
is
one?
B, sir.
He
Ah,
says
sir,
that
C,
fifth is
C.
B. He is not able to do that. And
Sixth
sixth
one is
one.
B.
Fifth one B.
Sixth
One
Okay.
Fifth one B.
Okay, fine.
one
See, we
Fifth
have
one
studied.
B.
Okay, fine. We'll just
Fifth one
revise that
C.
whatever we have
Fifth
studied.
one
C.
Okay.
C.
Okay, fine. Okay, you can stop
Fifth
that.
one C.
Remember that we have studied how to write the story
Sixth one.
through, yes, how to develop the story through pictures, how to develop the story using the outlines, and if the story is incomplete, how to complete the story. This is how we have studied. And here in the examination, you are going to have MCQs, and therefore outlines will be given there. The story will be written there, so story is developed there. So story is, yes, story is given there, and some of the blanks will be left, and those blanks you have to fill in. Okay, you have to fill in those blanks, and the options are also given there, and on the
Yes,
basis of
sir.
the
Yes,
options
sir.
you have to fill in the blanks.
Okay, sir.
So this is how you have to attain the question in the examination. Okay, okay, I hope you understood this.
Notebook.
Yes,
Yes.